I've got such a long neck. Don't put that in. Don't put that in.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca and this is my little sister Maddie.
Hello.
So what we did today was we created a DIY home face mask to just help those who have acne prone skin and cannot leave the house because of lockdown, as you know, stores like Discam and Clicks, yes, they might still be open, but they are selling all essential items and face masks are classified as a non-essential item. So we thought we would create our own face masks. So what I did was I created a DIY honey tea tree. You can use lavender essential oils. We didn't have, so we just used tea tree, sugar, brown sugar, it's for exfoliation, and a little bit of lemon juice for vitamin C. What we have done is we've actually done the mixture, as you can see, and I've taken a clean foundation brush, and you can see that the sugar, come closer to the camera, you can see that the sugar is still sitting on her face. So we're going to let it sit on her face for anything between 15 to 30 minutes. Honey is a natural antibacterial, so that's the reason why I've put this in here, just to reduce any bacteria that might be on her skin. So we're going to leave the face mask on for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how long she can actually have it on for. I try and push it for at least 20 minutes. And then what I'm going to have her do is actually rub her skin in circular motions with her hands. This will just exfoliate her skin and remove any impurities that are on her skin at the moment. And then I will definitely show you the end result when we are back. Now that she has her face mask removed and her skin is all cleansed, what we then go ahead and do is apply her Benzac AC5 gel. Now that she's put the cream on her face, we have gone through our entire process of our DIY face mask. So what I've done actually for my Instagram is I've created 3 different DIY face masks. So one is for Wrinkle Rescue. It's also a face mask that I created using avo and oats, and this is for very dry skin. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then I'll be linking down my Instagram handle below, and you can go to my Instagram handle and all the DIY face masks will be in highlights. Thank you so much for watching. It was such a fun video to create. I mean, we're so bored in lockdown, so we were thinking of cool ways to keep ourselves entertained and also maybe to help people who have the same kind of skin problems as well. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time.